Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today I am going to talk about the power of 1% daily targets, which are quite conservative in the world of crypto. Statistically impossible to achieve, but let me just show you the potential of it. Earlier in the week I put up an article on my blog called at quantlabs.net/blog called Set Daily Target of 1% Profit, but then stop trading until next day. In here, I make references of some of this, and here I show you some of the returns of $500 can turn into 18,891. This can be found at the website of the calculatorsite.com. So we're going to go in here, just do a Google search for that at calculator's site with compound interest calculators. So this is what we're going to do. Let's say we seed an account of $1,000, expect hopefully to get interest rate 1% daily, calculation period over 1 year, compounded daily interval, and then we can calculate that. And I'm just going to redo this so you can see it's not smoke and mirrors. So essentially, if you see the account with your initial balance of $1,000, your interest will be up to $36,783, return of $3,678. Is that possible to do? Maybe. Statistically, it's difficult. So let's just go over this and just show you what you can expect to earn in 3 years with that same rate of calculating. So you can see here now we're starting to get into 53,938,000, but let's just make it 2 years. Well, let's do 2 years just to bring it down. So if we were able to achieve that, within 2 years of $1,000, you would be able to get a return of $1.427 million, netting 1.426 million in 2 years. So even if you were to do, let's say, months and 18 months, so 18 months at 1%, in this day and age with crypto, I don't see why it couldn't be done. But here's the return over 18 months. You can see here how it works with the power of this. $232,248 would be your investment value of 231, 248, or 231,248,000. So here is your balance at 1353 after your first month, and it just explodes from there, and you can see the chart. So this is the power of compounded interest. So let me show you what the reports are so far. So yesterday we were at 0.78. We were at 0.078 right now. So right now with the markets, when I measure the crypto risk of the big 5 coins, as they call them, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and do a measurement of a volume weighted average, which brings me to negative 0.10. It's tough to achieve that because that's been like this all day. If I show you the risk on log for all day, you'll see I think it's every 5 minutes or 10 minutes or so, but it's a fairly big log now, but it's that big. Didn't realize it. Let's say if I do a tail, hopefully this will work, of let's say 100 entries on risk on log. So here we are. So for the last 100, looks like it's every minute or so. You can see here, because right now today is Saturday, 9:56, Saturday, August 22nd, 9:56 p.m. So you can see here it's not very strong at all. At probably the highest it's gone is at 818, 0.81%. So it really has to move, and it's been mostly down, as you can see here, on this measurement here, just how things have been fairly negative, which is this one right here, barely positive. So it's just been bouncing around between negative 0.77% as a low, for instance, to about 0.82. So what I'm seeing, so it's barely getting up to 1% between those 5 coins. So if it's that flat, that's really tough to achieve that 1% move. But in this case, we are still profitable. But let me just show you that P&L again. So for today, it's just over pretty well nothing really, but it is profitable, 0.08% or something like that. But it's a very slow system. I've got to find a new home for this bot. But let me just see if it's up here. Yeah, so it's at 0.078%. Yeah, so 16 positions taken. At 7 were wins, a 43% win ratio, but just barely over 0.07. So to achieve that 1%, it is tough. But even if you were to go conservative, let's say at 0.05%, half a percent, that's still pretty good if you were to achieve it on average. So with $1,000, you can go up to 15,343 or 14,343 as a profit. So that's over 18 months. So, you know, I've seen it go as high as 1.6 yesterday, but very, very weak today because of the down pressure throughout the last 24 hours. Just to let you know that. But it may pop, who knows? But I just want to show you, if you do get that 1%, it's quite good. Anyways, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching, and we shall, I guess, talk to you later. Have a good day.